even last visit, were you holding pretty good even after all that travel?
Yeah.
Yeah, everything's still pretty level and balanced out. Okay, cool. Alright, so yeah, toes on the tape. Make sure you square them off so they're facing straight ahead there. Cool. Yeah, dude, that looks really nice. Dude, nothing going on there. Completely level. Sweet. Maybe a little tiny bit of rotation on the right shoulder blade, but like nothing really to write home about. Yeah, same thing with the right hip. Just going to bring the right side forward just a hair, but then, yeah, we can definitely move you up to 2 weeks.
All right.
Turn facing me and let me see what the earlobes look like. Yeah, that's solid, man. Cool. Yeah, just on the side facing that way. Right shoulder and hip coming forward just a little bit. Okay, just sit there. Good. And then let it rest on down. Any basketball playing then over the weekend or a Mother's Day, right?
Yeah, it was Mother's Day. I didn't get to ball up at all. I got to surf today.
Okay. How was your balance?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Loved it.
Now, would you say that it's actually still different after that one time, or kind of like back to a baseline, or like what's?
I'd say I just got better after
Yeah.
that one time. I just got better. Like I never went back. Like it's kind of crazy.
But again, it was more like what, like the balance or just the positioning? Like what did you think was different about it?
I think the balance was, but I also think I just was able to move in a different way. Like my body kind of just moved right, you know? It kind of like did what I was telling it to do really nicely. And it was not stretched out, but it just felt really smooth. But it definitely was balanced too.
How long have you been surfing for?
A while, since I was like probably 13, 12, 13.
Like what now?
I'm almost 19. But yeah, it was nice to get out there. It's a little windy, but it's fun.
Hawaii waist high.
Yeah, exactly. Nothing like Hawaii.
Not much at all. Go ahead and sit on up there. And yes, go give it a second. But yeah, go back over to the guy on the left here. Nice. Still good through there. That's it, man. Sweet. Go take a nap, and then Mondays are the best days, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So that bump it out to a solid 2 weeks.
All right.
I'll see you then.
2 weeks.
All right.
Thank you. Absolutely appreciate it.